Welcome to Trigger Links. This is a powerful tool that allows you to track the interactions that your customers and leads have with the SMS and emails that you send out. Oftentimes, you will send an email and you don't necessarily know if someone has clicked on any of the links. If you're doing regular email campaigns, sometimes you have UTMs, but trigger links allow you to track when and who clicks on individual links that you send out. This is a dynamic custom value that is triggered when someone clicks on it and redirects them to the link URL. So in this case, the name is google.com. The individual will see a custom link, and when they click on the custom link, it'll redirect them to this link URL. You will then be able to see and analyze records of who clicked on and when they clicked on each one of your trigger links. You can also customize and trigger various workflows and automations based on your account setup. So let's create a trigger link. In the upper right-hand corner, you can click on Add Link. In this case, we may want to make this a happy birthday link. Whenever they click on the custom trigger link, it'll redirect them to Google. Now, we save that trigger link. This will now show up in the account, and we can copy our specific happy birthday trigger link key. This trigger link key can be used in various capacities. For example, if we go to the Conversations tab, and we're having a conversation with this individual, we may want to send them a trigger link. We click on Trigger Links, find the one that you'd like, and whenever you send this, it'll automatically update this link with a link from your account. That way, whenever they click on this, it'll be tracked back to your Trigger Links page. Now that it's redirected them to Google, we can go back to our account, go to our Trigger Links, and underneath Analyze, we can see that we have received one total click for the google.com trigger link that we created. The same thing is applicable to emails that you send from your account.